Uy, guys, hi! Yeah, today's July 18, 2024. This is the day 12 of our uh, daily Ipon series, which is a big bike. So, ayun guys, wow! Sorry guys, napa-English tayo kasi, guys, may customer ako dito, in English ako ng in English. So, hanggang siguro ngayon, hindi pa nawawala yung expression ng English natin. So, ayun, although hindi naman, maganda. Pero, yeah, still English pa rin yun. It's good naman. It's good pa rin yan, di ba? So, ayun guys, today's July 18, na ulitin ko, day 12 ng Big Bike Ipon Daily Series natin, guys. So, ayun guys, for today guys, magdadagdag tayo ng 200 pesos. Yo! 200 pesos yung idadagdag natin ngayon kasi kahit na wala tayong gupit na maganda na ngayon. Kasi umulan dito sa amin guys Umulan siya ngayon. Konti lang yung gupit ko, by the way. So, ayun, yeah, 200 lang, at least may 200 pa rin. So, ang magiging pera natin ay 3,600 pesos. So, ayan, meron na tayong 3,600 pesos para sa Big Bike Ipon Challenge natin. Day 12. Day 12. Yo. Sorry guys, yung pagkabisaya ko, tsaka yung Tagalog, tsaka yung, naghalo-halo. So, ayun, yeah, okay, pasagdaan nyo na lang guys. So, ayan guys, hindi na natin to patatagalin. 2 minutes lang para hindi boring, hindi naman masyadong daldal. So, ayun, always pray lang guys. And then, stay humble. God's good all the time. Remember lagi yan. And then, time is gold. Yeah, time is gold. And then, grind lang ng grind. Work lang ng work every day. So, ayun, sa mga gusto sumuporta guys, again, meron akong YouTube channel and Facebook page and Facebook. Pwede kayo guys na mag-subscribe sa akin. Welcome kayo guys. And then, maraming salamat. Appreciated guys. So, ayun lang. Hanggang dito lang ngayon for today. And tomorrow naman guys, abang-abang lang kayo. And then, yeah. Good night sa inyong lahat. God bless sa inyong lahat. And shout out sa inyong lahat. So, ayun lang guys. And maraming salamat. And bye-bye.